And my name's Griffin.
Mine's Dawson.
And we're here to teach you chain maintenance.
What you need is BioCycle, a bucket, a rag, lube, a chain breaker, and a scrubber, aka barbecue brush.
This is WD-40. WD-40 is bad for your bike because it picks up dust and other particles like dirt.
This is a perfectly fine chain. And this is the second stage of your chain. It has a little rust, but it's not terribly bad. But you would still need to clean it. This is the third stage. Your chain is horrible and has plenty of rust on it, and that just means you have to get a new chain. So this is the chain breaker, and this lever, when you spin it, this screw will twist in and push the pin on your chain out, and your chain will fall apart. So you have to fasten the chain the chain breaker onto the chain and twist the lever. I think that's done. But just a little bit more. And maybe you'll have to do it a couple of times. And I think that will do it. Oh, there goes the chain. And then you have to lift the chain off the gear. And you have to remember which way the chain came out, because later on, when you need to put the chain back in, that will be important. And there you go.
Put water into a bucket along with BioCycle.
Put the cap on the BioCycle so it will
Not spill. Grab the chain, put it in, grab the rag and the scrubber, and pick up the chain with the rag, scrub it, keep on doing that, put it underwater and keep on scrubbing until it's clean.
So this is a chain breaker. The lever is spinning the screw, which is pushing this pin out onto this one to get it back in. Oh, yeah. So now the chain is back together. If you have a BMX bike, you need a different tension than if you have a mountain bike. So you have to make sure your tension is good enough so it won't fall off your gear.
Take your bike for a spin and make sure it works.
Hope this video helps you. Bye.